The Mikoyan MiG-29, also called Fulcrum by NATO, is a Russian twin-engine fighter jet. It was designed in the 1970s to compete with U.S. jets like the F-15 and F-16. The MiG-29 entered service in 1983 and was built for air combat. Over time, it became a multi-role fighter, handling various missions and carrying different weapons. Several versions of the MiG-29 have been made, like the MiG-29M and MiG-29K. The latest and most advanced version is the MiG-35. After the Soviet Union broke up, many countries, especially Russia, continued to use the MiG-29. Today, it's one of the most common fighter jets, with over 800 still in service.